The goal of this Training of Trainers program is to strengthen local capacities in rural water sector in southern Tanzania to provide better services to the population. So for this practical training has been organized for the project design teams of different regions on designing and planning rural water supply networks. And with this, the aim is that the participants refresh and update some concepts and then get some new ones, and then they can transfer this knowledge to the different stakeholders involved in the water supply networks in each of the regions.
The aim of this assignment in collaboration with SHIPO is to have an awareness for the design team for our 5 regions, which is Njombe, Iringa, Songwe, Rukwa, and Mbeya.
And my principal assignment is to act as a coach for the organizers and as well as for the trainers.
We have taught our TOT team how to take the data from the source, and we have made the route survey through our Google map. So we have just take the data from the field up to the position of the tank, the proposed position of the tank. Then from the position of the tank, we take also the data which will anticipate how the distribution of the system will be.
So after the training, the participants are going back to their regions to work on the planning and designing of their projects and on training their colleagues. And the role of SHIPO together with RUWASA will be to monitor and follow up on this knowledge transfer, on how it helps to the projects. And also we will have a site monitoring where we would be able to see the impact of this training on the planning and designing, on the hardware part.